Have you ever wondered how some traders seem to consistently grow their capital, while others get stuck in cycles of hope and frustration? I'm going to show you a method that's both systematic and adaptable, a strategy I call the Artur method. Let's start with the Engine Daily CFD capital generation. Each morning my mission is clear: generate at least 3,080 euros in gross profit using CFDs, capitalizing on leverage up to 1/500. But I never risk more than 200 euros in a day. For example, a 1% move on a 100,000 euros position gives me 1,000 euros. The key is consistency, not chasing every move. But what do I do with those profits? That's where trend investing comes in. My filter is simple: weekly Heikin Ashi candles. If the candle's green, the trend's up. If it's red, the trend's down. On a green week, I invest 150 euros daily into long factor certificates, each with 8x leverage. If it flips red, I put 50 euros a day into shorts. Here's where it gets interesting: counter-trend entries aren't placed right away. I accumulate the amounts I would have invested, but I wait. Only once the weekly candle flips do I deploy the whole accumulated position, riding the new trend with conviction. This prevents me from jumping in too early and getting whipsawed by false signals. Now, for exits, every position I hold targets a 50% profit from its average entry point. If I've stacked 3 long entries at different prices, I average them out and set my take profit accordingly. Every new position in the trend direction gets its own target. Compounding only happens in line with the prevailing trend, never against it. Let's talk numbers. To net 200,000 euros a year after taxes, I need to generate roughly 308,000 euros in gross returns. That breaks down to about 3,080 euros a day, over 250 trading days. The profits from daily CFD trades become my fuel for long-term, trend-aligned positions. Instead of withdrawing gains, I reinvest them, turning daily momentum into lasting capital growth. Month by month, I track my progress. My risk is always capped: no more than 200 euros lost in a day, no exceptions. That discipline keeps me in the game, letting the math and the markets do the heavy lifting over time. So, what is the Artur method, really? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme or a gambler's Hail Mary. It's a framework for disciplined, logical, and scalable capital growth, rooted in market structure, risk control, and patience. Daily cash flow, weekly trend, yearly freedom. If you want to see the Excel model or dive deeper, hit subscribe and follow along. Trade smart, trade with intent.